Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Are you ready for MRCS Part B examination? Well, let me give you my advice. A lot of candidates think that they are at the peak of their level to go for the MRCS examination, and they drastically fail, unfortunately, because this exam is new to a lot of university graduates. They don't know what they are assessed about and how their performance is being judged. And this is the exact reason why VA Academy have created a great course for MRCS candidate called MRCS by Examiners and Artificial Intelligence. This exam will let you know exactly what is your performance, which grade you will get, what is the advantage and disadvantage of your strategy and style in the OSCE station. It will give you an immediate feedback that will help you a lot, and you will be surprised how many things that you don't think that examiner take care of, and actually it is the main core of the OSCE station. This course has been performed twice before in September and October. We have another course coming in November 21st and 22nd of November. It consists of 16 stations by experienced examiners, Professor Mahmoud Salah, Professor Assam Al-Adi, Professor Shireen Al-Hariri, all very well-known examiners. They will tell you exactly what do you need to perform better in order to pass this exam. And without this course, you will be unable to know your level, and you will be missing a lot of tips and tricks and advices that will put you forward among all candidates worldwide. You can ask any question, you get an immediate feedback from an examiner. It is a wealth of experience, and we hope to see you. This course, every time, add 30% new OSCE station that we think it will help you as a candidate to pass this exam. We hope to see you, and I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.